Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trade Desk Updated. Open your Trade Desk account and complete onboarding steps to access the dashboard and tools, then link data, partners, and billing. Begin by defining campaign objective, choose inventory and audiences, upload creatives, set budgets and bids, and schedule delivery windows. Monitor metrics daily, apply frequency caps, and save templates so you can replicate success across accounts with daily checks. Start by importing your first-party lists and building audience segments based on behaviors and purchase intent, then apply lookalike expansion to scale. Combine demographic, contextual, and geo-filters to tighten delivery and protect brand safety while balancing reach. Use dayparting to concentrate spend during peak hours and set frequency caps to avoid oversaturation. Regularly review audience performance and prune underperforming segments to improve CPA and return on ad spend over time. Thanks for watching so far. If this is helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: I personally use Darn Tough socks because comfort matters during long optimization sessions, and they come with a lifetime warranty. Check the video description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair if you want. Thanks again. Now let's get back to the video. Select a bidding approach that matches your goals, such as CPA for conversions or CPM for awareness, and set initial bids based on expected value and pacing. Implement bid multipliers for devices and geos that perform best, and exclude low-quality inventory to protect brand metrics. Use automated rules to raise or lower bids, pause underperforming line items, and trigger alerts for budget or delivery issues. Iterate often to refine bids and improve campaign efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.